What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to allow or deny appear on top access in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, open the app in which you want to make changes, and after opening the app, scroll down. So some apps does not support this feature, so open an app which supports this feature. So after opening the app, scroll down and here you will see a appear on top option. So tap on this option and here you will see a allow permissions button. So if you want to deny the app to appear on the top, then turn off this button, and if you want to allow the app to appear on the top, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. So with this button you can allow or deny the appear on top access to our app in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.